Hey guys, my name is Nick Sivrich. I'm a physical therapist, and I want to go over this week's question of the week. This week's question of the week is actually normally asked by me to just about every patient that comes in my clinic. And usually I ask them, how did you find out about us? Or, did someone tell you to come here? What brought you to the clinic? And there's a variety of answers people give me. Sometimes people say, my aunt came here and she suggested it, or, my mother, family member. I was driving by, I never knew you guys existed here, and I saw your sign when I saw I needed physical therapy. And others say, well, my doctor, gave me a list and you guys were the closest. I called my insurance company, things like that. Other times, sometimes people will say, well, my doctor, told me to come to see you. They like what you do, and then that's great. What I want to explain to people about this, anyone out there that's looking for physical therapy, is that you have the right to go to any clinic that you want. You do not have to go to a clinic that, for instance, if you go to your physician, your surgeon, whoever you go to, and they specifically say you have to go here. You don't. If you want to go to a different clinic, if you've been somewhere else that you enjoyed, you have the right to go to that place. There is no reason why you can't. And sometimes I think patients feel like just because the physician said, or my surgeon said, I have to go to this place, you don't. Now, there's some physicians that really love a certain place and they really like the work, and I understand that. But there's other times where physicians will just say, this is where you have to go. You're going here, and patients will be like, okay, that's where I'll go. And even though maybe you want to go somewhere closer to home, or if you've been to a different clinic and you really liked it and you want to go there, sometimes they feel forced. And as long as, if you are using your insurance, if you're not paying out of pocket, sometimes you are limited to where you can go because that clinic may not accept your insurance. So that's understandable. If you have to kind of go somewhere because your insurance is kind of guiding you in that direction, then that's obviously what you kind of have to do. But if you're not limited, if you can kind of go where you want, especially if you're paying out of pocket and you're paying your money, you want to go somewhere where you feel comfortable, where you feel that it was recommended to you, they have good reviews, and even if you've been there before and you really liked it, continue to go there. So that's what I have for you guys this week. I really want you guys to understand that you are not you shouldn't be forced to go somewhere that you don't want to. You go where you want to. You're not obligated to go where your physician tells you you have to go. You can go wherever you want, and you should be comfortable where you're going. So I hope that helped. I hope you guys have a great week. Don't forget to follow me on Facebook. Check out my blog at nicksivrichpt.com. Have a good week, guys. Thanks a lot.